Hey guys, thanks for checking out my channel today. What I'm going to do is show you how to touch up these edges along the slab. These rough spots here that may have been missed, or maybe the concrete was setting up, and just basically show you how to take care of that. It's something that you want to do early on in the process of finishing the concrete. So what I'm going to do here is just use a magnesium trowel and just scrape up a little bit of the cream off the surface, just to make sure that we get a lot of cream right up along that edge. So when doing this, you have a really thin window to bring that cream back. After a short amount of time, you're going to lose a lot of that surface cream and the concrete's going to get very hard fast. So you want to make sure you take care of this as soon as possible. So I'm just taking the trowel, scraping the cream up. Now I'm going to take the edger, lay it on the slab nice and flat, and just work it back and forth. So you can see how much cream there was. Now that cream is being shaped into the edge of the form, and we're able to get a nice seamless edge in there. So what I'm doing here is I'm just cutting in some dummy cuts to make sure that the concrete's going to crack right in that line. And I'm just going to go back and start touching up the edges. So it's really important to get rid of that edge line, especially if you're doing stamped concrete. That edge line that appeared there is now being wiped out using the trowel. So just nice smooth motions back and forth, working the surface. You don't want to spend too much time in one area because you can easily lose the slab that you're doing. So now I'm going to show you how to fill in the edges using a brass edger. So you just want to work the concrete over a little bit. So just kind of bring the concrete over and then edge it in just like this. Sometimes when you're putting concrete down, you have some small low spots. You want to make sure that you go back and touch anything like that up. Small little details are really important when doing these slabs. So now I'm just going to use the trowel, kind of tap the surface, hit it down a little bit, bring some moisture up, then hit it circular. So when you trowel circular, you're actually flattening out the surface. If there's any low spots or high spots, that circular motion knocks it down so that it's going to be really flat. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and follow our hashtag YourConcreteSource.